That's tight. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, Mike Massey, you f***ing asshole. So, did your burnout compilation video yesterday, and blew my So, I got a fat rod knock 2 weeks before Long Beach, thanks to you. But, hey, at least we got one damn good video.
You're already with that thing. Okay.
And there you have it. Dominic from Maxwell Power, you got 24 hours.